All right, we are here at the
Glenmont Metro parking garage.
Glenmont Metro. And what do you say? These are Schumacher?
Yep.
Shoemaker, and we've got a really moist panel here. See something here. Honestly, that chime just sounds like a MEI. We'll ride the other car because this one has something interesting about it. Go ahead and call the other one down.
Here it is. Look at how that security camera is wired.
That is really bad looking. All right, send it up to 6. And look, we're on 1 and 3.
And soon we're gonna be on 3 and 6.
Do you hear that motor?
I did.
That was nice. Smells some interesting substances up there.
For sure. They have to power wash these garages in their stairwells all the time. Actually, that kind of smells like a 1980s MRE kind of food.
Oh, just look at this. Schumacher. This one has a nice motor, actually. Just innovation. Nothing.
We need to go to 2.
All right.
We're on floor 23.
Yep. Schumacher. Is that another elevator over there?
Indeed.
Oh boy. All right, that's it.